Today we'll demonstrate how to properly clean your VCRT valve core removal tool. This cleaning procedure works for all Fieldpiece models, including the VC1, VC1G, and VC2G. We'll use the VC2G as our demonstration model. Keeping valve core removal tools clean is essential for every professional HVACR technician. Clean tools remove built-up contaminants like oil, refrigerant residue, and debris, preventing cross-contamination, protecting system integrity, and ensuring a reliable seal on every job. Here is a list of what you'll need. Your valve core removal tool. 2 1/4-inch caps. One should already be attached to your VCRT. Rubbing alcohol, preferably 90% isopropyl alcohol or higher. A syringe or similar device for dispensing liquid. A container to collect the waste alcohol. Let's jump into it. First, remove the capture rod from the main fitting. Use the capture rod to extract the valve core from your second port. After removing the valve core, cap the second port with the attached 1/4-inch cap. You'll need an additional 1/4-inch cap for the top port. Ensure both ports are securely capped to contain the cleaning solution. Prepare your rubbing alcohol and syringe. High concentration isopropyl alcohol is recommended because it evaporates quickly and leaves no residue. Using the open fitting, carefully insert or pour as much rubbing alcohol as will fit inside the VCRT, filling it completely. Once filled with alcohol, cover the open fitting with your thumb and shake the tool back and forth vigorously for 30 seconds to 1 minute. This agitation helps the alcohol dislodge any debris, oil, or contaminants inside the tool. After shaking, discard the used alcohol into the waste container. Do not reuse this contaminated alcohol. You may notice the liquid appears dirty if your valve core removal tool had accumulated debris. Allow your VCRT to air dry completely before reassembling. This ensures all alcohol has fully evaporated and prevents contamination. Once fully dry, reinsert the Schrader valve into the second port, making sure it is properly seated and secure. Congratulations! You've successfully cleaned your VCRT and restored it to optimal working condition. Performing this simple maintenance procedure regularly will keep your valve core removal tool functioning properly and help prevent contamination in your HVAC systems. Thank you for watching.